Ever pondered how artificial intelligence tools could simplify your life, streamline your business, and boost efficiency? Well, one such tool that is making waves in the AI sphere is ChatGPT, a language prediction model developed by OpenAI. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? In layman's terms, it's akin to a highly advanced virtual assistant. It generates human-like text based on the input it receives. The software is designed to understand context and provide relevant responses, making conversations with it feel more natural and less robotic. Here's a bit about how it works. ChatGPT utilizes machine learning techniques. It's trained on a diverse range of internet text. However, it doesn't know specifics about which documents were in its training set or have access to any personal data unless explicitly provided in the conversation. It learns to predict the next word in a sentence and continues this process to generate complete sentences and responses. This is the magic behind its conversational prowess. But how can AI tools like ChatGPT make your life easier? They're capable of automating routine tasks, answering customer inquiries, scheduling appointments, and even drafting emails. In essence, they free up your time so you can focus on what truly matters. However, it's crucial to remember that while AI tools can be highly beneficial, they might not be the best fit for every business process. It's vital to assess where these tools can truly add value and optimize operations, instead of blindly integrating them into every aspect of the business. This is where AlphaFam Management Consulting comes into play. With their expertise in implementing AI systems, they can guide you on where it's necessary and beneficial to incorporate tools like ChatGPT. They help ensure that your business reaps the maximum benefits from AI integration while avoiding pitfalls and inefficiencies. In summary, AI tools like ChatGPT, with their ability to automate tasks and generate human-like text, can greatly simplify your life and business operations. However, remember to exercise caution and consult experts like AlphaFam Management Consulting before integrating these tools into your business. AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but when used wisely and strategically, it can revolutionize the way you operate and interact with the world. So embrace the future, but do so with discernment and expertise on your side.